Yippee-yi-yi, yippee-yi-yo. Ghost riders in the sky. An old cowpoke went riding out one dark and windy day. Upon a ridge he rested as he went along his way, when all at once a mighty bunch of red-eyed cows he saw plowing through the ragged sky.